Hello guys, today I will tell you how we can write a file. So first of all, I am going to create my project in which I am used to writing a file. So I have created the project. So now I will include the main source file cpp. Here I will write it source file, and I will create in this a class. So first of all, I am including all the header files which are necessary for a program, and then hash include string. So for filing purpose, we include the library of fstream, which is used for both input and output streams. So now we are writing more namespace std, and now I am creating a class of student. So what I am going here is that I am going to write it string of name, then phone number, and int id. So these are the things which the student has data members. So I am not going to create parameterized constructor or default constructor. I am going to direct create input methods. So for writing file, I have created input method in which I am going to taking the input from the user. Enter the name of the student. So this will promote us to use the name of the user. So get line cn name. So for using this thing, we have to use one more thing, cn dot ignore here, otherwise it will jump to next step. So now I will definitely see out, right, enter the phone number. So cn phone number. So here I will copy these two things and I will write there. See, so there I will change the string name. So now see out, enter the id of the student. So now my input method is complete, and now I am going to create a display method in which I am going to display all the results of this. So here I will copy this all here. So now this is the main thing. So now I am going to modify this, the name of the student, and then see out name. So here I go the phone number. Okay, so I am going to know the id of the student. This is id. So that's my display function, which is completed. Now I am going to create my main function, int main. So now I am going to, first of all, we have to create two functions. Number one, I am going to create an object of my student s. Now I am creating and I am taking an integer which I will use as a choice. First I will initialize it, then I am using a while loop, while 1. So now here I go, if choice equals to 1, then what happens? So here, this is the main thing, as I am going to write a file. So for writing a file, I will click, I am creating an object of offstream for input in the file. Offstream file, I have created the object of offstream as file. So now I am going to write file dot open. So where I will name it, for example, record dot dat, because I am going to create IO binary file. So this is the mode of the file which is I am going to open it. So now I am moreover placing there append. This will, what it will do, it will write the things from next line in the file and will not overwrite the file. So file dot open. So now what I am going to do is I am going to write a file. What I am going to write is, first of all, student dot input. In this, it will go in this thing, and from taking inputs from the user. So now I will write file dot write. So how can we write it? Character asterisk, then ampersand of s and size of that object, size of s, sorry, capital S, and then that's how you can write a file. And then I am going to close the file. So this was a program for writing a file. So this was the simple thing, how can you write a file. So now I will tell you how it will definitely write a file. So I will debug it and you will see it how it works. So here we go. So here we go. So first of all, now I will write over there cout, enter the choice, press 1 for writing. So it will take it and then we will write file. Sorry, one more thing I have to do is that I am going to take choice. So now here we go, I am 1. So I am entering the name, which is, for example, Hamad. So phone number, for example, 45 and something, this is the phone number, and ID is 2. So I have write the file. So this was the thing for writing a file. So I am going to write one more object. So here we go, we are writing Harun and phone number 9xyz and student ID is 45. So this way we can write a file. So now I will show that it will definitely write it. So now I'm going to terminate the program from there. So now I will show you the file in which the data has been written. So this is the file in which the data has been written. So this was the simple thing in which you can write the data. Thanks for watching. Please like my channel and subscribe to it for more updates. Thank you for watching it. Allah Hafiz.